Walk the walk on every street. I wanna fall out with the world at my feet. Hit every discotheque and ask it for me, yeah, yeah. I wanna party, party 8 days a week. I promise you now. Everything gonna work out. Every tomorrow, no matter what go down. I promise you now. Gonna be sticking around. Every tomorrow, no matter what go down. You know we're better together. Don't wanna wait forever. You know we're better together. The time is now or never. You know we're better together. Don't wanna wait forever. You know we're better together. The time is now or never.
And Arsenal have won the corner as they try to take the lead. He succeeds in clearing it. James, will it be? And good work to deny the chance. Well, hit with ferocity when accuracy was required. Went in strongly to win the ball. Marino, can he put them in front? Well, going for power and so close to finding the net. Well, they have the ball once more. Well, he keeps going. Textbook defending inside the box. Szymański. Parejo. Victor Osimhen. What can they do from here? Oh, in with a chance! A goal to give them a 1-0 lead. An excellent value for that advantage, you've got to say. So the match has restarted. 1-0 here. An important interception. Victor Osimhen. Will he find the net? And a goal! That's his brace! They just can't keep him quiet!
Well, as you can see, this is absolutely brilliant. He's such a good runner with the ball, and it's a great individual goal. Brilliant from him.
2-0 now, and back underway. Well, that'll be a free kick. Really vital interception. Well, a fierce effort, but quite simply not accurate enough. Back now to the goalkeeper. Bremer. Parejo. Mikel Merino. Victor Osimhen. Now, let's see what they can do here. Chances on. The net is staring him in the face. And he's only gone and made it a hat-trick. Absolutely unplayable today. What a performance.
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself. And from there, he never looked like missing. That's a lovely goal.
Well, on they go again. Arsenal very much in charge. It's turning into a right old thrashing. Opportunity it is. Well, if only he had timed his run slightly better. Offside. And with play stopped, they will make the change now. Tremendous intuition to win it back. Victor Osimhen. And no-nonsense defensive clearance. Osimhen. Now Parejo. Parejo. Well, really fine goalkeeping. Good diving stop. Well, opting for the short corner. Parejo. There wasn't much in that offside decision. Could have been in business. And the referee has deemed that an additional 4 minutes are in order. Osimhen, it's there for him. Another goal! The lead grows to 4 now. A rampant display.
Well, let's take another look. And wow, how cleanly does he hit that? The keeper was never going to save it. What a good goal that is.
A lopsided contest, 4-0. And a timely intervention, and the referee blows his whistle. Now we can say it officially, Arsenal have won this game. 3 points for them. What did you make of it all?
You're absolutely right, Derek. Their attacking play was excellent.